Tirupati, the spiritual heart of Andhra Pradesh, is best known for the Sri Venkateswara temple, one of the richest and most visited temples in the world. But beyond the divine aura of the hills, Tirupati offers waterfalls, wildlife, and heritage spots that make it an all-round destination. Let's count down the top 10 places to visit in Tirupati. At number 10, we have the Sri Kalyana Venkateswara Swami temple, located in Srinivasa Mangapuram. It's believed to be the place where Lord Venkateswara stayed after his marriage to goddess Padmavati. The temple's peaceful surroundings and less crowded atmosphere make it a perfect spot for those seeking a divine experience away from the main rush. At number 9 is the historic Chandragiri Fort, which dates back to the 11th century. Once the capital of the Vijayanagara Empire, the fort stands atop a hill offering panoramic views of the region. The Raja Mahal inside has now been converted into an archaeological museum, displaying ancient artifacts and sculptures. It's a great mix of history and architecture. Number 8 is the stunning Talakona Waterfalls, the highest waterfall in Andhra Pradesh. Surrounded by dense forest inside Sri Venkateswara National Park, this spot is ideal for nature lovers. You can trek through the woods, enjoy the soothing sound of water, and even cross the hanging bridge nearby. October to February is the best time to visit when the flow is strong and the weather is pleasant. At number 7 we have the Sri Venkateswara Zoological Park, one of the largest zoos in Asia. Spread over 5,000 acres, it's home to a wide variety of animals like tigers, lions, elephants, and deer. The lush greenery and well-maintained enclosures make it a great outing spot for families. Don't miss the safari rides for a closer look at wildlife. Coming in at number 6 is Kapila Tirtham, a sacred temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, located at the foot of Tirumala Hills. The temple has a beautiful waterfall that flows right into the temple tank, especially active during the monsoon. It's believed that taking a dip here washes away one's sins. The combination of natural beauty and spiritual calm makes this place truly special. At number 5 we have ISKCON Tirupati, a serene temple dedicated to Lord Krishna. The architecture, spiritual chants, and devotional ambience offer a refreshing experience for visitors. You can also enjoy delicious prasadam and attend the soulful evening aarti. It's a perfect stop for anyone wanting to experience peace and devotion together. At number 4 is Silathoranam, a natural rock formation located near the main Tirumala temple. It's one of only 3 such formations in the world and holds immense geological and mythological importance. According to legends, it resembles the hood of a serpent and is associated with Lord Venkateswara's idol. It's also a popular sunset point, offering mesmerizing views of the surrounding hills. Number 3 goes to the Padmavati Ammavari temple in Tiruchenur, dedicated to goddess Padmavati, the consort of Lord Venkateswara. It's believed that visiting Tirupati is incomplete without paying respects here. The temple is beautifully decorated during festivals like Brahmotsavam and attracts thousands of devotees daily. At number 2 we have Sri Venkateswara National Park, a paradise for nature enthusiasts. The park spans over 350 square kilometers and is home to leopards, sloth bears, and exotic bird species. The dense forest trails, viewpoints, and waterfalls make it a refreshing escape from the city's temple crowds. It's also a great spot for ecotourism and photography. And finally, at number 1, the crown jewel of Tirupati, the Sri Venkateswara temple at Tirumala. Perched atop the sacred Tirumala hills, this temple attracts millions of devotees every year. Dedicated to Lord Balaji, it's one of the most visited religious places in the world. The spiritual energy, the golden dome, and the devotional chants create an experience that words can't capture. Visiting here is not just a trip, it's a divine journey of faith and devotion. So these were the top 10 places to visit in Tirupati. Which of these places would you visit first on your Tirupati trip? Let us know in the comments.